Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. As you can see, I'm going to read our story from my car today, and that's because I woke up this morning and realized that I missed my car. I haven't gone for a ride for a long time. So, anyway, today's story is called Blizzard, and it is by John Rocco, and it's actually the true story that the author experienced in a blizzard in, I guess, 1978, and it covered much of Rhode Island, and this is his story. I hope you enjoy it. Blizzard by John Rocco. The first flake fell right before recess. It was followed by many, many more. The wind whipped up and school closed early. Yay! By the time my sister and I got home, the snow was already over our boots. The snow continued to fall through the night, and I thought it would never stop. The next morning, the snowdrifts were so high we couldn't open our front door. So we went out the window instead. We laughed as we sank deep into the frozen powder. Woof! But walking was hard. It was like trying to move through white quicksand. Oof! Every few steps I had to stop and rest. It was even too deep for our sled. We need sled dogs. When we went back inside, we were cold, wet, and tired. Welcome back, explorers. We made camp by the wood stove, and our feet tingled as we sipped hot cocoa made with milk. On the third day, Dad shoveled the driveway so he could get the car out when the snowplows came. We dug tunnels and secret rooms under the snow. An igloo can keep you warm in sub-zero temperatures. What's an igloo? By day 4, the plows still hadn't come. I wondered if we'd ever see grass again. Inside, things got tense as our food started to run out. I knew we couldn't survive much longer on cocoa made with water. We need to get to the store, but the roads aren't plowed and we certainly can't walk through this. On day 5, I realized it was up to me to take action. I was the only one who had memorized the survival guide. I was the only one who knew what equipment was required. I was the only one light enough to walk on top of the snow. On day 6, I made a list. Milk, bread, eggs, candy bar. I prepared the sled, then I set off. My usual landmarks were covered by snowdrifts. Candles? Cat food. But I managed to check in with the neighbors on my long journey. Coffee? Peanut butter? Okay. Checked in with the neighbors, helped build a snowman, went the wrong way, climbed a lookout, made an angel, explored an igloo, joined a snowball fight. I made it. Bill's Market. On the return trip, I raced to drop off the groceries before the sun went down. Wow! Grateful smiles and cheers gave me the energy I needed to make it back home. Meow. Woof. That night, we all had hot cocoa made with milk, and it had never tasted better. It was a perilous journey, but there was something else we still needed. Snowplows. It looked as though we would see civilization again after all. Guess we'll have to go back to school tomorrow. Boo! Thank heaven. I was going stir crazy. We had survived the blizzard. I hope you enjoyed today's story and that you have a wonderful weekend, everyone. Stay tuned for a message from another of our fabulous staff members. Bye.
Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Rubin wishing all of the Hidden Hills community a really great day. I hope your online learning is going well And I just wanted to share that I'm standing outside here in front of my redwoods, and it's a beautiful sunny day, so I'm grateful for that.